Hello and welcome to this video about cryptocurrency education. Today we are going to talk about what the Bitcoin halving actually is. Around every 10 minutes, new Bitcoins emerge as mathematical problems are solved on the Bitcoin blockchain by miners. Many years ago, at the beginning of the Bitcoin journey, around 50 Bitcoins were distributed at a time, every 10 minutes. When the Bitcoin halving took place in 2012, this quantity was halved. The idea of this is to limit the inflation of the Bitcoin currency. The second halving took place in 2016, and the third halving took place on May 11th, 2020. The third halving reduced the quantity of distributed Bitcoins from 12.5 to 6.25 at a time. The next halving will take place probably in 2024. Whenever a Bitcoin halving takes place, the reward for the mined Bitcoin blocks is halved, and this takes place every 4 years. The miner who discovers the hash, which is just another word for fulfilling the proof of work task of a valid block on the blockchain, receives the Bitcoins as reward. This means that miners only receive 50% of the verification of the transactions of a single block. The Bitcoin halving takes place after every 210,000 blocks, which is approximately every 4 years. But because it depends on the number of blocks, the exact date can never be predicted to 100%. However, this will take place until the maximum number of 21 million Bitcoins is reached. The Bitcoin halving is an important event for traders as well, because the quantity of new Bitcoins which are created in the network is reduced every time this takes place. This means that also the availability of Bitcoins will be limited, so that prices as a result can go up, because also the demand is going up continuously. These halvings lead to the situation that the addition of new coins to the network, which is also called the inflation of coins, will be limited. Hopefully you enjoyed this video about Bitcoin and the Bitcoin halving. If you did, then it would be great if you could leave us a like and subscribe. We hope to see you in the next video.